Woohoo! And tweets. Not me. All good. Check the mic. There you go. Live. Hello, everyone, and welcome to In the Database. I'm going to play time. A good surprise for you. It's pretty much a yearly occurrence. Pretty much. For you who don't know it, this is his. Built up and scripted down. We're going to be building it all back up. Like to work off there. Noise gate disable, because that works when I'm on my desk. Boom. Okay, so yeah, welcome to another day in database. Good friend JP, blah 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 blah. Said for all that.
Okay, every year we built a PC.
Yeah, so
this is another year of building.
JP has been with me since my days on Twitch, and my first year there, he did a PC build with me of his PC, and then the year after that, we did another PC build of upgrading his PC. This is PC once again, getting built next year, hoping to be mine, hence the donation, go down below. But yeah, so he already had it all built up. He's had it for a good few months now.
6 months?
6 months. And we've completely stripped it all down. We're going to be doing some custom modding to the case. It's getting custom water loops in there and everything, or water cooling. It's going to be a lot of things happening to it. And we didn't think you wanted to see the strip down of it, which is why it took so long for this stream to start. So, yeah. We're going to be slowly building this all back up from basically a skeleton. Still need to get the all firmware paste off that as well.
Yes, we do.
What,
That's why we have isopropyl alcohol and lint-free cloths, otherwise known as kitchen roll. Because I'm cheap, he says. I've lost another screw.
Right.
How have I lost another screw already? It's not blended into. I'm not being blind, am I? No, I've just completely lost another screw.
4 here.
No, I'm missing one already. Oh wait, no, it's the one that's in my pocket because I took it to the garage with me, didn't I? Doi!
Why did you take it to the garage with you?
To make sure I had a drill bit that
Oh,
was the
right.
right size. I needed to check what size hole I needed to drill. I don't want to drill a massive one. Wait, I'm hiding. Haha, you cannot see my face.
Only just, but you're nicely framed.
Ah, look at the godly figure I don't have.
So we'll go through some of the parts. First of all, the big part in front of you that's completely stripped down and looks nothing like it does on its box anymore.
Yeah, it's a case. It's the skeleton of a case anyway.
Yeah, the tower or something, or is it just the tower? It's called
Thermal Take Tower 900. Personally, I think they should have called it 9001.
Just say it's over 9,000.
You're damn right.
Yeah, so it's a big ass tower.
Right, yeah.
I personally just call it a trophy case, and you'll see why when it's built. Because yeah, it is just a trophy case. There's no way to describe this thing.
Okay, well, I have. Oh, my face is on camera now. Hello. I have 4 of them.
For those that actually want to see JP in the early days of Twitch with me, just go and check out like pretty much every Assassin's Creed video before
You don't
Syndicate.
want to do that. It's a bad plan.
Every Assassin's Creed video before Syndicate, literally JP's in it.
-1.
First few episodes of Assassin's Creed Chronicles China.
No, I was thinking Black Flag. There was like an hour when I passed out on the floor.
Oh, no, I know what you're thinking of, I think. You're thinking of 24-hour of Rogue when you were doing the bot.
Oh yeah, I was off camera making the bot, which he doesn't use anymore. Selfish much, I know, right?
No, you were making the coding for the bot we used to use, which was MRIC, but all the things you made in that bot are transferred over to the new bot, which is ScottBot. So all the things you
Scott alone.
So all the things you made are still getting used, just not the whole lines of coding that came with them.
I'm still hunting for screws here. We were definitely prepared, like, at some point in my life. But...
Like an hour from now?
Yeah. But we changed our plans and ideas. And now I'm looking for screws that are... like this screw. But... this screw kind of size. Wait, if I get it, there we go. I need the taller ones, not the shorter ones. But I can find loads of these ones. Not these ones. That's not even the right taller one, but it's one of the taller ones that I need.
So he's going through all of his bags of screws at the moment.
Which I've now just kind of dumped into one bag and gone, screw it. Screw organisation, it clearly wasn't working for me.
Pun intended.
There's I see what you did there. God damn it, Simon. Oh, there's another one. Right, I got 3. I need 1 more. What'd you do?
I moved that over there.
I need that over there.
Well, I moved over there because it was in the way over there.
It wasn't in the way over there, was it?
Wasn't from my hand now.
Oh, well, okay then, sorry. Sorry, my screw was in...
Allen key.
My Allen key was in the way of your Goliath-sized hands being put down. Okay.
You would never have guessed, but I actually met JP through computering.
Yes.
He sold me his RAM.
Many moons ago.
Many.
Oh, poop. Wait, are these Allen ones? Are these? No, they're screw ones. Of course they are. Of course I put them all back in the bag. And then go, oh wait, I needed 2 more of those. But it'll be alright, because them ones will work. So I won't need these ones anymore. He says with a hopeful smile on his face. Promise, we do actually know what we're doing.
We do, it's just a matter of getting it all organised.
What's that? This one? Because I have to take screws out of pump. These ones. Them 4 there. I have to take them out because they're long ones. I need the long ones. So I'm going to replace them with the shorter ones. Which I've blended into my The tablecloth, that one there. We put the longer one in. We swap them over, you see. This PC was completely built until this morning, at which point I stripped it down because I'm rebuilding the loop. I am changing the positioning of where my pumps were.
Doing custom modding to parts of it.
Drilling 8 holes.
Still custom modding.
Kind of, yes, I suppose so. To be fair, I reckon them holes should be there from factory.
But no, we'll go through every part as we come to them. At the moment, we've just got the case as well as the pumps. If you want to explain what pumps they are.
They are EK X-Top 105s.
He says with such confidence.
I think, I can't remember.
It was so many moons ago I bought them.
Yeah, they're EK. They're D5 pumps with 150 mil rad on the top, reservoir on the top. Sorry. So I think they're 150. I think they're X tops. I can't remember. They might not be. Don't quote me on that. I'm making it up as I go along. I promise.
We have no command in place, by the way, for specs.
Oh, of course we don't.
They're easy to make, but
yeah, but then we're gonna make them. Right. I now have 8 of the medium screws and 6 nuts.
where's the other
And
two?
4 washers.
We are professional streamers.
No.
Don't
You're
try-
a streamer. I'm an idiot.
You're the one. You're the one trained to use firearms.
There has to be more nuts somewhere. Like, this cannot be all my nuts. That's going to sound really weird to anyone that's going to take that out of context.
Trust me, people will. It's the internet.
It's the internet. Everything's dirty unless it's clean.
And even then, it's not clean.
Nope, because I make it dirty. One of these bags must contain thingies. Thingy? Nuts.
Well,
Nope, that's fan screws.
The bag you first threw didn't.
I mean, I don't know where I got these from. I don't even know how to use them. It's the rubber things that you pull through instead of fan screws.
Oh.
This is not the bag that I had before. This may contain nuts. Warning, may contain nuts.
Hope you're not allergic.
I'm going to put money on it doesn't contain nuts because this looks like the hardware from my old Corsair case. In fact, it is because they're the rubber mounts for the hard drives. This is from a...
900D.
No, it wasn't a 900D.
Was it not?
No, I didn't get the 900D. I got the 500R Carbide series? I can't remember. That was like 2 years ago, man.
Yeah, it was 2 years ago.
I've bought a lot of computer parts since then.
Do you want to know something funny? A couple of days ago, on one of my Facebook, he was like, here's a memory from last year.
Here's a memory from the year before. You're like,
And last year's memory was me posting one of the first parts of last year's PC build.
yeah, it popped up on my Facebook this morning. Saying, hey, look what you did a year ago. I'm like, hey, guess what I'm doing today? Even though we didn't do it a year ago, it's just that's when you tagged me on Facebook. So it's like it's all out of time with itself and it's got itself confused.
Last year we did it earlier in the month.
I can't remember. No, we would have done it. It was. I can't remember now.
Because last year you had extended time off.
I did, didn't I? I had loads of time off last year. All the time. All the time in the world. Okay. Right, we have screws. We can do this bit.
Okay, so we starting with the mod? Or are we starting with something else?
Might as well screw some holes first, I guess.
Screw some holes.
Screw some holes. Shows I need this because I put the bloody bracket back on the pump, didn't I? God damn it, Simon.
You know, if you had the other bag where it had the other one, I could help you.
The other what?
You had a bag that had another tiny Allen key in it.
I don't need to take out 4 Allen keys. You can't use 2 of us to take this off.
Or the other pump.
We don't need to take it off that one.
Going up.
No. So I want to use this one to measure the holes for both sides. And the other one just screw it on.